Good morning, everybody present out here in this class. How is everybody today? How is everybody today? Thank you so much. And hoping the same from you guys. And again, we are welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Again, we are back with a new session. And in today's session, we are going to do practice of a conversation between two strangers. Last time we learned how to greet someone. Let's suppose if I'm meeting someone or somebody is meeting me, then what sort of conversation would be there held by him, held by me. So the same thing we are going to perform in today's class. So basically, I'll be calling two of the students on the stage, and they'll be talking to each other, thinking that they do not know each other. They will be purely unknown to each other. So I just want to see how they are going to perform, how they are going to talk, or how they are going to have a conversation with each other. So is everybody all set, guys? All right. So without further ado, let's get the bowling, and let me call the first pairing of students right now. Who wants to be first on the stage? Does any of you want to come here first on the stage? Do not take name of others, take name of yours only. So who wants to come first on the stage? I know it's very hard for the people or the students, those who are not comfortable coming on the stage and all. So let me call the pairing of two students right now. So let's give a big round of applause for Tejas. Along with Tejas, let me call his brother only. So let's give a big round of applause for both of them. Thank you, everybody. All right. Take this mic. So, do you understand what you guys are going to do today? Basically, you need to think that you do not know him. Similarly, he does not know you. So, you are going to meeting in a conversation. Though you have already met, but still you are going to meet this person, or this person is going to meet you. So, I want to see how you are going to talk to each other. Okay? Thank you. Take this mic and continue with the conversation.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am fine. May I know your name, please?
My name is Tejas. What is your name?
My name is Bharat. And which school you study?
In which school do you study?
I study in Government Boys Senior Secondary School.
Turn towards the camera too. Yeah, fine.
I am studying in Government Boys Senior Secondary School, Putkhurd. In which school do you study?
I am also study in Government Boys Senior Secondary School in Putkhurd. Which class you read?
I read in class 11th. And in which class do you read?
I read in class 10th. And what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. And what is about you?
My hobby is playing cricket and studying solving maths.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old. And what about you?
I am 15 years old. Thank you to meet you.
Wait a sec. You can also ask his place where he comes from or where he belongs to. कहाँ से आते हैं ये भी आप पूछो. Plus में you can ask him about the family members of his family, and then you can talk about dreams as well. Okay, please continue.
Where are you come from?
Where are you come from? Sounds unnatural, sounds awkward. You should rather say where do you come from, or simply where are you from.
Where are you from?
I am from Delhi but originally from Bihar. Where are you also from?
Where are you also from सच होगा अगर आगे वाले ने कोई सवाल पूछा, as this boy has asked him कि भाई where are you from, and you have answered that I am from Bihar but currently living in Delhi and all. और जब आपको इससे भी पूछना पड़े ना, so there are three alternatives. You can simply say and you, or what about you, and how about you. Okay, so simply how about you.
How about you?
I am originally from Bihar but currently live in Delhi. What is your dream?
My dream is become a great doctor.
My dream is becoming a doctor.
My dream is becoming a doctor. What about you?
I also want to become a doctor.
See, when the things are similar to each other, जब कोई चीजें सेम होता है ना, जैसे इन्होंने बोला I want to be a doctor and this boy also wants to be doctor, तो यानी कि कहीं ना कहीं दोनों का डिजायर सेम है. तो आप यहाँ पे एक फ्रेज लगा सकते हो, we are on the same boat. We are on the same boat. That means जो आपका डिजायर है वो डिजायर मेरा भी है. थोड़ा सा कॉन्वर्सेशन मतलब कि अच्छा लगेगा सुनने में. So you can say we are on the same boat.
We are on the same boat.
आप बोलोगे yeah.
Yeah. How many family member do you have?
In my family, there are 4 members, including me. And what about you?
There are 4 member in my family, including me.
Again we are on the same page. You can say again we are on the same page.
Again
you
we
have
are-
also 4 members, and when I also have 4 members, including me, including you. So that's a coincidence. ये coincidence है भाई. चलो continue. अच्छा रहा.
Again, we are on the same page.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for meeting
Okay
me.
guys, when you end any conversation or any presentation or any meeting, and when you say nice to meet you, the full form of this sentence is it is nice to meet you, and this phrase is never used at the end of the conversation. ये ना स्टार्ट में यूज करा जाता है. जब आपको इसने नाम बताया था या इसने आपको नाम बताया था, तब हम उसको कहते हैं नाइस टू मीट यू, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. लेकिन जब कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड हो गया ना, तो अच्छा आपको पास्ट में डालना है कि आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा, आपसे मिल के अच्छा लगा, आपके साथ खड़ा होकर के, आपके साथ वो मूवमेंट बिता करके, या कुछ भी, मतलब वो पास्ट में जाना चाहिए. डज एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम स्पीकिंग राइट नाउ? नाइस टू मीट यू नहीं बोलना है जब आप एट द एंड ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ, आप इसको पास्ट में डालोगे. इट वॉज नाइस मीटिंग विद यू, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. और यू कैन से आई एंजॉयड टॉकिंग टू यू, मेरे को मजा आया आपसे बात करके. या फिर आप कह सकते हो इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू. 3 ऑल्टरनेटिव्स आपके पास. इट वॉज नाइस मीटिंग विद यू, या फिर इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू, या तो आई एंजॉयड टॉकिंग टू यू. सो प्लीज एंड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन बाय यूजिंग एनी ऑफ दीज. कम ऑन.
I enjoyed talking to you.
I also enjoyed.
Thank you so much. We'll meet again.
Thank you so much. We will meet again.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. So this was a conversation between Tejas and what is your name? Bharat. So I hope you must have enjoyed this content or this conversation. If you have any doubt, any problem, or if you want to give your feedback, please do let us know in the comment section below. Till then, signing off. This is Aman Kumar, and we'll see you inside another video. Thank you so much, everybody.